welcome to your new machine. The spool goes back here and then twists through this thing right here. Now, when you're going to do a bobbin like I'm about to do now, you go through this little tensioner. You just want to wrap it around the little tensioner. And then this is the bobbin winder. So if I put the bobbin on the bobbin winder, it activates by itself. You have to switch it this way. Now this is what tells it to stop. You can adjust this so you get more thread on or less thread on, but that's what tells it to stop. This little knob right here, you'll have to hold it with both hands. Twist it towards you while holding, oh my gosh, hard to do this while holding a video camera. But in order to keep this, keep the needle from going up, you release this. Okay, so I released that. This is, see how the thing's pointing the other way now? And then I pull the thread over and wrap it around. You can put it through one of the holes. These bobbins are very standard, by the way, but I just wrap it around. And you press on the foot. Press on the foot, and it does this. It does its thing. It'll wind all the way. Alright, now my project's not very big. So, you know, that's enough thread for me. So, I can cut that loose. And we'll go. Okay, this is the bobbin casing. This is the bobbin. This is the bobbin tension. And some of this may seem familiar because the sewing machine we learned how to sew on was this way. Now, you want to put the bobbin in, right? So that the thread comes through here and then changes direction to go into the slot. So when you pull on it, you would expect it to turn this way as you pull on it, but it doesn't. It goes this direction. Okay? Because it's doing a U-turn. It's doing a U-turn right here. See, if I take it out, you can see the thread is doing a U-turn. I can just pop it right back in there. And pull on it up. You get the idea. Okay, so now I'm going to load the bobbin. So that is how you get to it. And then you go down in there. There we go. And you see this little slot right here. Let's focus this a little better. Yeah, there you go. You see this little slot right here? That's where this little arm goes. Okay? So I'm going to hold my bobbin casing like this. And then I'm going to push it in with my thumb. Push it in with my thumb until it clicks. This is not something you can see. It's something you have to feel. Alright. See how it's spinning like this? I'm just going to push it in until it clicks. Done. So now it's not spinning, it's locked in that slot. Okay? So I can cut this off, stuff it down there. Okay, so now we're going to thread the rest of the machine. Now it's coming off of the back of the machine. Got the spool here, it's coming up here. Alright, but it's still around the bobbin thread tension. We don't want that. So we're going to pull it out of the bobbin thread tension. And we're still going to go, oh, sorry. We're still going to go through this little round screw deal. So through the screw deal, not through the tension. Through this screw deal, not through the tension. Okay, so this is the tension. That's the tension for the top. And it should always be on 4.5 unless you're sewing a different type of fabric. Like if you're sewing jeans, it's going to be higher. If you're sewing silk, it's going to be lower. Okay? So, there's a little slot right here on the side. You put it through the slot and you pull it till it clicks. So I'm just going to hold this. You would use both hands, obviously, but did not click. It clicked. So we're good. Now there's a little hook right here. So go through that little hook and then up to the hammer. The hammer should be at the top spot. It kind of moved a little bit while I was doing my bobbin. And you have to thread it through the hammer. Okay? There we go. All right. So nothing's tangled up. All right. Now it goes into the little groove here and down to here. There is another little hook there. And there's another little hook right there. So see those two hooks? It goes front to back through the needle. So you thread the needle. This is reverse. So you push this in and step on the gas, and it goes in reverse. Okay. So that's your reverse button. Okay, one of the things that I really love about this machine is the control you have with the foot pedal. I can go really, really slow. And most machines won't do that. They either go fast or stop. But this one will go really slow, which allows for a lot of precision sewing. Over here are all of your stitches that you have, which you've got quite a few stitches, which is really great. The one you'll use the most is the zigzag. They're all color coded. Okay, so the gold coloring says that you want this to be on gold and you want this to be on gold. Okay, so you can use the gold anywhere on this one, but it has to be on number 1 here. So then this will determine how wide your stitches are zigzag wise. So zigzag stitch. Beautiful. You're going to use a zigzag stitch or something that goes like that if you have a stretchy fabric, like a something like this, or the zigzag stitch. You're going to use, if you have a stretchy fabric, like a knit. These other ones, this one right here is the blind hem. So if you're going to do like a hem on a pair of jeans, you would do this one, and it's coded blue. So you'd want this within the blue section. You'd want this within the blue section. And then this will control how wide your step out is. Okay, so we'll do that one. And I'm not on the right one, apparently. Yeah, I'm on number 9 here. So number 9, and I'm on number 9 there. So I want number 10. So number 10. And see how it checks over right there? That's how you do a blind hem. There's some folding involved in it, and that's kind of a difficult task, but if you'll call me, I'll do a tutorial on that. And that's pretty much it. You find the number, and make sure that you're color coded here in the right color code. So that should take care of everything you need. It's a great little machine, Amber. I think you're going to love it. It really is a good machine. It has, it's meant to, it can go in a cabinet. So don't be afraid of that right there. That's just cords. And it also has an off switch for the light. So if you plug it in and the light doesn't come on, then you just need to turn the light on. But there is no on switch. So, so once you plug it in, it's on and ready to go. And then, of course, if you need anything, you just call your sister.
I love you.